Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick maintenance video we're going to talk through how you can apply oil to your Panasonic Pro Trimmer. The model I've got here is the GP84. Some models do vary, but one thing they've all got in common is they do need to be oiled nice and frequently so they can continue to work as well as they can. So first of all, your Pro Trimmer should come with this little dedicated bottle of oil. If you haven't got this, you can purchase it from our accessory store online. Simply go to our support site, follow the links to the accessory store, type in the model number of your Pro Trimmer, and you should be able to find what you need. So let's get to it. In this particular model, we're going to obviously remove it from the cradle first, make sure it's unplugged and there's no power going into it. The first thing we're going to do is remove the blade, because that's where we'll be adding the oil. Obviously, we're going to make sure that the dial here is set to 2mm before we do that. We're then going to take the blade with our thumb, with our fingers behind there to hold it, push away from the body of the trimmer. That blade's going to come away nice and neatly. Place the body down, we don't need that anymore. And now we've got the trimmer blade in our hands. Right, so we're going to take our oil, unscrew the cap of the oil, and I'm just going to show you where you want to place the oil drops on your blade. This is actually a sample product, so we're not going to actually put the oil on it, but I am going to show you. So on the blade itself, we're going to aim for 3 drops, one on this side, one on the middle, and one on that side. You can use a paper towel to mop up any drops as you go. If any drop through the blade as well, you can do that as you go. But 3 along the blade there, and then on the inside of the blade mechanism, there's actually 2 very small protruding bits of metal behind the plastic clasps there. They're very small, but you should be able to see them quite clearly. We're going to add 1 drop to each of those as well. Once we're happy we've done that, so 5 drops in total, we're then going to take our trimmer and we're going to carefully place the blade back onto the body and clip that into place. You're then going to want to run the trimmer for around 5 seconds, and that's going to distribute the oil nice and evenly across the blade, across the mechanism inside, to make sure it's got a good even coating. Once you've done that, we're going to have a little look just to make sure that there's no excess oil leaking out. If there is, you can mop it up as you go. And that's it, simple as that. That is how you can add oil to your Panasonic Pro Trimmer. Really important piece of maintenance. People often forget to do it. Try not to be one of those people. It can massively prolong the lifespan of your product. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.